Welcome to Dart Programming Language. My name is Praveen and you are watching Techie Praveen. So basically from today onwards, I'm just going to start a new series in Dart Programming Language. So let's get started. Firstly, what is Dart? Dart is a programming language developed by Google to create cross-platform application. By using Dart, you can create mobile application, desktop application, and server-side applications. For using Dart, we have two different options. First is by using any IDEs, that is, you can use Android Studio, Visual Studio, VS Code, IntelliJ IDE, etc. For using any IDE, you have to install and download SDK on your machine, and you have to install some plugins to make it easier to use. And we have another very good option, that is by using a Dartpad. What is Dartpad? Dartpad is an online interpreter given by the Dart itself to code in a Dart language. For this, you don't need to install any SDK on your machine. So let's see what is the course content and what things we are going to cover in this course. So first is how to set up a Dart on your machine. Second, fundamental. Third, data types. Fourth is strings. Fifth, type conversion. And then constant, null, operators, loops, and collections. Inside the collection, I'm just going to complete list, set, and map, and then functions, class, and last but not least, and very important, exception handling. So let's see how to create our first program. So for this, I'm just going to use my Dartpad. So for using a Dartpad, I'm just going to write a Dartpad on my Google. So this will give you my Dartpad. So this is the official online interpreter for using Dart. So this is the Dartpad. I'm just going to give the link of this Dartpad in the description of this video. So this is my console, and this is my console window. This is my coding window, and this is my documentation. So if you run a program, it will give you the output, and if you make any mistake, then it will show you the error in the console window. So it gives you a very beautiful and very simple UI for this Dartpad, so you can easily use it. Here is a new Dartpad. Here you can reset your Dartpad. Here is a format if you want to give any format of this, and if you want to install the SDK, it will give you the option to install your SDK on your machine basically. So if you want to know more about Dart, you can click on dart.dev. This is the official website of Dart language. Here you will get a lot of good information regarding your Dart. So this is the documentation if you want to know more about Dart and how to use this library, tools, packages, developments. Here you will get a lot of important packages, tools, techniques. And here's the platforms. This is your community. So if you if you're facing any issue, you can approach to their official communities. There are a lot of people that will help you. Here's also a Dart interpreter installed in their official website as well. So if you run this, you will get the output in the console window as well. So you can use Dartpad individually, or you can also use Dartpad inside this. Perfect. So you will get a lot of information through this website as well. So let's get started. So this is my first code. So this is my void main. Like Java, it's also runs through void main, and I'm just going to write only a hello world. So this is my hello world program, and here you need to perfect. So basically, it's looks like Java. It's have a main function. Then inside a curly braces, you have to write print and a semicolon, and you have to write hello world inside the semicolon. So because it's a string. Okay. So for this video, I'm just going to stop on this only, and from next video, I'm just going to start the whole topic sequence by sequence. Okay. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're facing any issue inside Dart or Flutter, you can ask me any question in the comment section of this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.